Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Phani. In this video, we can talk about real number and its properties. Real number. Every real number is either a rational number or an irrational number. Look at this number line. We see here real numbers can be positive, negative, or zero. Numbers left to zero are called negative numbers. Numbers right to zero are called positive numbers. Positive numbers and negative numbers are also called sign numbers. Common sets of numbers. Real numbers. Look at some example of real number. Negative 18, negative 1 over 2, 0, root 2, pi, 47 over 10. Real number again divided into rational numbers and rational numbers. Look at the example of irrational number. Pi, square root of 7. Rational numbers, negative 35, negative 7 over 8, 0, 5, 27 over 11. Again, rational number divided into non-integer rational numbers or integers. Non-integer rational number. Look at some example of non-integer rational number. Minus 14 over 5, 9 over 10, 30 over 13. Here in integers, look at some example. Negative 10, 0, 8. Again, integers divided into negative integers, whole numbers. Look at some example of negative integer. Negative 20, negative 13, negative 1. Whole number. 0, 2, 56, 198. Again, whole number divided into 0 and natural numbers are positive integers. Look at here 0, the number 0 here. Natural number or positive integer means all counting number, means we count from 1, 2, 3 till infinity. So look at some example. 1, 16, 170. So all positive integers are natural number. Order property for real number. Order property for real numbers. For any two real numbers, A and B, A is less than B, A is less than B. See the symbol here, less than symbol, here greater than symbol. If A is left of B, look at here, A is left of B on this number line, so A is less than B or B is greater than A. Let us see some example. -1 is less than 0. Since -1 is the left of 0, look at the number line. 0 is here, -1 is here, and -1 is left to the 0. So -1 is less than 0. Let us discuss some other example. -5 is greater than -6. Look at this example. Here -6 is left to the -5, so -6 is less than -5, or we can say -5 is greater than -6. Real number properties. For any real numbers A, B and C, we are discussing properties of a real number. Commutative properties. Commutative for additions. A plus B equal to B plus A. Look at here, even though we are changing the place of number here, A has been written the first, then added with B, but here B has been written first, then added with A. If we change the place of the number, the result will not affect. So the commutative for addition is A plus B equal to B plus A. Commutative property for multiplication. A times B equal to B times A. Whenever we multiplied one number with another number, look at here, even though A has been written first, then B will get, if you multiply these two numbers, we'll get the same answers if you multiplied B with A. So this property is called commutative property for multiplication, and here this one is called commutative property for addition. Let us discuss associative property for addition. Look at here, three real numbers. We add 3, but here we gave the parenthesis. We'll add A and B first, and the result will be added to C. The same way, we'll get the same answer if you add A with the result of addition of B and C. Look at here. Here we have to add B and C first. The result will be added with A. Same answer we'll get from this addition. Let us discuss the associative property of multiplication. Here, three real numbers A, B and C has been multiplied. We multiply A and B first. The result will be multiplied with C. The same result we'll get if you multiply B and C first, and the result will be multiplied with A. So this kind of property is called associative property of addition and multiplication. Identity properties of addition. Look at here, A is a real number, we add with 0, we get A. The same way we'll get, the same answer we'll get if you add 0 with A. So here 0 is the identity element. The identity number is 0. Whatever the number will be added with 0, we'll get the number itself. If you add 2 plus 0, we'll get 2. If you add 0 plus 2, here also we'll get the 2. Let us discuss the multiplication properties for identity. Identity properties for multiplication. Look at here, we multiplied the real number A with 1. We get 1 A, and the same answer will get if you multiplied 1 with A. So this 1 is called identity element for multiplication. Let us discuss the inverse. Inverse properties for addition. Look at this expression, A plus minus A. If we add A and with opposite, then we'll get 0. Similarly, in minus A plus A, both plus or minus, they will be, you will get 0. So here negative A is the inverse of A. Look at here, in this inverse properties for multiplication, if A is a real number and if you multiplied 1 over A with this real number A, then they will be cancelled and we will get the answer 1. The same way, if you multiply 1 over A times A, this numerator and denominator will be cancelled for this expression, so we will get 1. Here the multiplicative inverse for the real number A is 1 over A. Distributive properties for addition. If you multiply the number A with B plus C within the parenthesis, then we will get A times B is AB plus A times C is AC. This is called distributive property over addition. We will get the same answer if you multiply B plus C with A. So we will get B times A is BA, we will get B times C is B times A is BA and C times A is CA. So we now understand the real number properties. In this video, we take some content from Pearson and some content from different sources from internet. Thank you.